Hi, this is John with WTI, and I'm here to solve you a problem. For both of us, I have a sensitive skin when it comes to trimming or shaving my beard, and I have to do it two times a week. And what I would always get is some serious razor bumps. But I found this opportunity in this great option from Philips, the Norelco 3000, which is a trimmer that is not going to be too harsh on your skin. So what this does is that this trims close to your skin without leaving any razor bumps. And it's so nice because it's rechargeable. You have to recharge it like maybe once or twice in a month. You can take it anywhere, and your grooming would never be a problem. This is a deal maker when it comes to having the opportunity of taking it anywhere, always being clean shaved, and it would never give me any irritation. The blade is really nice. You can detach it, as you can see in the filming roll, that you can detach it, clean it, stay sanitized, and this is great opportunity when it comes to having your grooming on point. So if you are like me, you always want to stay clean, shaved, and looking presentable in front of the people, this Norelco is a great opportunity. This was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.